Hello everyone. Today I'm continuing the video series on how to use XtoGrow. Today we're going to focus on the first tab, Automation. This specific section right here is the tab that leverages advanced artificial intelligence technology to seamlessly incorporate automated response functionalities for posts from your friends or other individuals that you may potentially engage with in the future. The people you want to connect with, and when you use this feature, you'll notice a lot of back and forth interaction between you and others. This will help increase your follower count. Keep in mind, we're using this feature to boost the number of followers on your X account, and the settings will depend on your age as well as your current follower count, so you'll need to configure it accordingly. Today, we're going to look at a brand new X account I just created, which is less than a month old, so you can get an idea of how to use and set up this feature for a new account. The Automatic Post Assistant feature is the very first icon. Remember, to use this feature, you need to have the XtoGrow extension installed and connected to the XtoGrow.com website. Alright, using this feature is really simple. You just need to click on the settings icon here. And you'll see there are two switches here. One is for auto reply and the other's for auto like. Auto reply and auto like. You can adjust the delay time for the auto reply feature. For example, you can set it so that between 1 and 10 minutes, it'll randomly reply once within that time frame. Similarly, for the auto-like feature, you can also set it to like once every 1 to 20 minutes. Here, you'll have 5 shortcut options to choose from, corresponding to 5 different data sets. First is the feature that pulls data from HomeFit. Let me check again. HomeFit is the feature that continuously reads the posts on this For You page and loads them up here. Similarly, the following post feature refers to posts from people you are following. Follower post means posts made by people who follow you. It will automatically find and load those posts. Next is the feature for posts within communities. For example, if you join certain communities and want to download posts from them. For instance, if I join these communities and want to load the latest posts to comment on them, I would select the community feature. After that, I would do the same for lists. If you've created a list, you can also take the list here and add it to this list. Alright, I'll select everything so you can get the idea. Here are 5 sources for getting new posts for the AI to process. Next is a countdown configuration for automatic detection. If someone posts too much, it'll only take 1 post from them. And the countdown time for each user will be 4. So within 4 hours, if one of your friends posts 2 or 3 times, it will still only take 1 post, not more. This helps avoid spamming one person too much, because if you do, they might think you're too into them and won't like it. So that's the whole configuration. After you finish setting it up, you'll save it. Before running it automatically, I'll turn off the auto feature so you can understand how the AI works. After that, I'll turn the auto feature back on, save it again, and then click Load Twist. After you finish loading, you'll see that it loads up like this. For example, this is loaded from this list here. This one is loaded from people who are already following you. This one is loaded from the list, and it will sort by the time. The newest posts will be sorted to the top. Next, this is on the Home tab, and this is from the community. It will show up here, and you can click on a post to view it. For example, you can click on this post to see it. This one was just posted at 7:55. So with a newly posted article, if you go ahead and comment on it, the person who receives the comment will immediately notice you, pay attention to you, and because of that, they'll check out your profile to see who you are. If they like what they see, they'll connect with you, interact with you, and that way you'll increase your followers as well as the person who posted the article. So you just need to set it up like that, and the AI will respond. It can reply in a lot of different languages. For example, with this account, I'm focusing on Japanese. If I focus this account on Japanese, it can still reply in English too. With this post, which is in Japanese, besides English, it can also reply in Japanese. Sorry, let's use this post instead. Alright, so besides replying in English, the AI will also look at the content of the post to choose the appropriate language for its response. For example, here it's replying in Japanese. Besides English, it can reply in many other languages as well. It varies depending on the post that the user makes, and thanks to that, when the person who posted sees your reply, they'll check out your profile and interact with you. If you reply right after they post, the interaction between both sides will be very high. That way, your profile will get more views and more people will follow you, increasing your mutual followers. At the same time, when you post comments, it also helps you boost your impression rate, improving your impression score and increasing both the quality and the impression metrics of your posts as well as your comments. Alright. So after you test out the manual feature, you can turn on the automatic feature. When you enable the automatic feature, the time waiting will be activated. And we'll click Save, then click again to let it reload. The system will automatically reload these posts for you, and it'll schedule to reload even those posts that the newest posts from the people you've selected will be tracked by the system, which will regularly monitor and update the list of latest posts. It also ensures that each post only gets replied to once, not multiple times, so you can rest easy. Its reply feature works exactly like a human would. For example, if this post isn't in English, it'll still reply in a way that people can understand, using the appropriate language. That way, your engagement rate will increase. You can also see a report here showing how many times you've replied today. And it tells you when the next like or reply will be performed. Alright, if you want to see an overview, for example, if you have multiple accounts, you can view a comprehensive report for all your accounts here. For instance, I'm running several accounts. You can see the account I just connected here with its avatar displayed. And here's another account which is also running. And you can see the total number of things you're running, the total number of comments, and the total number of reactions here. You can also view a detailed report for each post. For example, this post has this many views and this many likes. You can check the details in the report section here. You can view detailed information about the posts and about the comments. In the report section, you can integrate multiple X accounts into this tool for centralized management. With this tool, you can easily manage 10 or 20 accounts without too much difficulty. When you run it, you just need to leave the browser open, close it, and it will automatically keep running. It will automatically operate according to the scheduled time, and when the time comes, it will automatically post comments. You'll see that new posts are also loaded and prepared for commenting during the time frame you set here. Note that for newly created X accounts, you should set a longer interval between comments. The longer, the more human-like it appears. You have to keep in mind that, just like being a new Twitter user, you can't comment continuously right away. If you keep commenting non-stop, X will recognize that it doesn't look like a real person is using the account. So you should start commenting gradually, especially with new accounts. After you reach 1,000 followers, you can shorten the interval between comments from 1 minute down to about 50 seconds or even 40 seconds, depending on your account. This way, you can improve both the quality and content of your comments. With that, this video wraps up my tutorial on the auto reply feature here. In the next videos, I'll show you how to use the list of features over here. And goodbye. See you again in my other videos. I truly hope to get many more helpful comments and likes from all of you on these tutorial videos I've carefully made to guide you through everything. I really hope to see you again in the next videos.